Hey, good morning. Nothing exciting this morning, I guess. Let me turn down the music a little bit. So I went do the washing at a friend's yesterday. So just trying to catch up on this. Put it in my suitcase. So I received my window, so I'm gonna do that, install the window. I finish my enclosure, install the door, pass the electrical for the septic, and then and start framing. We got like some cement board yesterday, a 1/4 inch, the smaller one. So I'm gonna start doing that in the shower, getting ready. I'm done. I did show you the tile in the shower. This is done. I installed the sink yesterday, and then I need to do the sink in the bathroom and get the plumber to come and finalize the setup. So it's scheduled for this afternoon. So I will show you this afternoon. So a lot of work to do today. I also helped Andrea yesterday to do his beams. So the idea is to finish all his beam. His beam is pretty big, so I'll show it to you. All right, so I'm done with the holes. I put 4 big holes in here. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can just cut with this saw here with a metal blade. So yeah, all right, I'm working on the window. I have the patio door here. I've done one of them. Now I'm doing the top one, and I'm gonna do this one here. And it looks like this before I get the window in. I'm gonna paint everything white, and I'm gonna paint the inside of my container the same color, gumdrop. I'm excited. Finally I'm gonna get view and stuff, and be able to enjoy it. It's gonna be so nice. Here we go. It's a little bit messy outside, but here's the view.